Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be doing a bit of an unboxing. It's not really that exciting, but the weather this past weekend for Mother's Day was pretty rotten. It was in the mid to upper 30s, and there was wet snow here in the Midwest, which was pretty terrible. So, as you can see, we have the car in the background here, and we will be unboxing our package. So, always exercise safety when using a knife or any other object to cut open the box. We have coating removal towels. I guess that kind of gives away the information here, but let's see if we can. So, coating removal towels. We did order a Press-All bottle. So this is, let me see which version this is here. So, I ordered a Press-All Household Double Action Sprayer version 1.2. I believe he's coming out with version 1.3, and it has to do with the sprayer tip. This is a transparent bottle, 750 milliliters. So I'm pretty excited to be able to use a dual action bottle, and in the future we could be ordering more of those. What else do we have here? We have, in the bubble wrap, we have Wolf's Chemicals Nano Glass Sealant. So, as you can see, it is in its own bag with the top taped so that it doesn't leak or come undone in shipping. So, and packaged in the bubble wrap, so that's great. We have some suede applicators, 5 to be exact. We have a CarPro ceramic coating applicator block and more suede applicator towelettes. So we have coating removal towels, we have a coating applicator, and we have towelettes to put on the applicator. What else do we have in here? We have another giant bottle, nicely packaged. So we have a bottle of CarPro Eraser, also with the top taped to ensure that it doesn't leak or break in the shipping process. We have a CarPro trigger sprayer for the eraser. Is it starting to become apparent what we're doing here? So what else do we have in here? We have some polish removal towels. These are a lower pile towel, which I believe is 16 by 24. So I've been using the Rag Company Eagle 500 for polish and compound removal. So Matt at Obsessed Garage likes these yellow towels, so we're going to be giving them a shot here. What else do we have in here? So we have, I'm looking at my order on my phone here. We have a Tough Shine tire cleaning brush. Tough Shine tire cleaning brush. So it has stiff bristles for scrubbing tires. I've been meaning to buy one of these only because it has a handle so that it's easily maneuvered this way. I have a different brush. Let me grab that brush and show it to you. So, to scrub the tires with a more stiff bristle, this is the brush that I have. So, you have to hold it like this. So, when you go to scrub the tires this way, especially on a knobby truck tire, I'm always worried that I'm going to catch, one of my fingers or one of my fingernails or anything like that. So, obviously, this kind of keeps your hand away from the brush area and the sidewall of the tire. So we're going to give this a try. I figured, why not? What else do we have? We have a Race Glaze detailing brush, extra large. Here is the Race Glaze brush. Nice soft bristles. This can be used to clean. I'm actually going to be transferring over to using a brush to apply the tire dressing. I do have a video that discusses making your own tire shine applicator. It works great. It's a little bit cumbersome on tires like my truck tires that have a little bit of raised knobs on the side. So I'm going to give this a try and see how it goes. If not, I can always clean it and use it for other uses. Obviously the Meguairs hyper dressing that I use is water based, so the bristles of the brush would be able to be cleaned without a problem. One of the other items that I'm pretty interested and excited about is the Prevost non-scratch blowgun, which can be seen here. So I'm going to have to switch over one of my quick disconnects for the airline, and I'm pretty excited to use this. This will probably primarily be used to blow out the pads when I'm doing any type of polishing, paint correcting, and items like that. So obviously it has a plastic tip this way. It is not going to scratch anything if you accidentally bump it into something, but it is also going to be safe for the pad surface. So we've gone through almost everything in the package. The only thing that I haven't is in the box. And in the box is, if I can get it open, okay, I guess. Oh, here we go. All right. We have the Obsessed Garage Edition Crystal Serum Light and EXO V4. Number 20. Is that 9 or 4? Let's call that a 9. So we have, number 209, EXO, and we have number 209 Crystal Serum Light. And then it comes with the gloves and the applicator pads. I probably won't use these applicator pads. I do have a video showing the installation or the application of Crystal Serum Light to a Dodge Durango, and I will link that above. So I have that video available for you guys to see. I used these cotton applicators, and it was almost like the finish or the face of it kind of, I don't want to say deteriorated, but I don't know. I didn't care for it, so I'll probably end up using the microfiber suede block, and if not, then I'll probably go with a microfiber pad, which is what I used in the video of the Durango. So that's the unboxing. Why did I choose to place this order? Well, Obsessed Garage is giving away an M5, and I figured I'm going to be ordering some of this stuff anyways. I might as well enter the giveaway and pick up some products. The Crystal Serum Light and the Ech2O is going to be going on the car. So the car has Wolfgang Uber ceramic coating, which is probably about 3 to 3.5 years old. Obviously, it doesn't get driven in bad weather, and it's garaged, but after some of the work that was done over the winter, you can see that some of the shops kind of wiped the car, probably with dirt or dust on the surface and without, you know, the greatest microfiber towels. So the car is going to need a slight paint correction. Hopefully we can get away with just a light polish, and then we're going to go ahead and apply the CSL and Ech2O. So I'll probably make a video series on it, break it up into a couple videos, and yeah, I'm waiting on some Buff and Shine 50/50 Eurofiber pads to come in. I've been watching Apex Detail, and he seems to like those a lot, so I'm eager to try them out. So that's it. That is the unboxing of the Gav Details order through Obsessed Garage. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.